Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I love adding special touches to my outdoor living area, especially when those touches are beautiful and effortless. So these flowers I have are from TONULAX, and I love how during the day you see a beautiful silk hydrangea that keeps its color no matter what the season, and I don't have to water it. I love the blue, the purple, and the white. They look so real and add just that right touch of color wherever you decide to place them. They come with an easy to maneuver stem, so you can kind of move them around and adapt them to wherever you want to place them. I love them here in my potted plant on my patio. But what makes these flowers really special is when it gets dark. Embedded inside the flower is a solar powered garden light. So you can have them flicker or be on constantly, and you can also turn them off. The solar panel section is large, so it absorbs light all day long, and I'm so impressed with how long these lights have lasted. I love adding special touches that are effortless, and these lights are exactly what I was hoping for. They are so beautiful during the day, adding a touch of realistic color with their beautiful flowers, and then at night, they add so much fun and light. When they start to flicker or they're just constantly on, they're solar powered, so I never have to worry about them. So if you want to add some fun and some effortless light and style to your outdoor living area, I highly recommend you try these solar powered lights. There's a 3-pack, one of each color. They're tall, they're adaptable and maneuverable, and the spike they come with makes them really easy to embed in a plant or a pot or anywhere you want to put them around your living space. You won't be disappointed by these beautiful solar powered lights, and that is my point of view.